Welcome students of KG Pine. How are you? Good morning to all of you. Yes, everyone is ready. Good morning, beta, Ashman. And please put your attendance, everyone. Hello, Nandini. So sweet. Okay, so everyone and rest of the students also, I can see Afreen also, she is sitting so nicely. Good girl. And yeah, Parinita, yes, she is on her designated chair sitting in her office, I can see, right, Parinita? Yes. So let us start with our INK words. So last day I taught you 4 INK words. We were having INK sound in those words, and today we are going to learn still more 4 words. Okay, new 4 words. Beta, Nandini, don't put that scale in your mouth, beta. Nothing you will put in your mouth instead of food. Okay, now the situation is not good. Kono kichu khabar jinish chhara beta mukhe debe na, huh? Good girl. Come on. So here comes Parinita. What happened? Yes, just put your screen little bit down. Yes, very nice. So here INK sound words means here I am going to discuss 4 new words along with you, because in INK sound words we are going to learn only 8 words, not the 10 words, because rest some of the words which are having INK sound but they are not appropriate for your class or age. Okay, so I will teach you limited that much which you can understand and you can learn. So let us start. So the last day we left the word mink, M-I-N-K, M-I-N-K, mink. Now what is the meaning of mink? What is the meaning of mink? Mink means animal. It's an animal which is having a brown fur. It's having brown fur all over covered on its body, just like bear. Okay, it's having a tight fur all over the body. It's brown in color, and this brown fur of mink is being used to make jackets or coats in colder countries, okay, where it is too much cold, like Antarctica and all those spaces. They use this coats. Okay, so it is used to make jackets or coats. Okay, yes. So here comes, let me see, let us solve Nandini's problem. Okay, I hope, Nandini, now your problem has been solved. Okay, so here comes mink. Now mink, what I told, is the name of a creature which is having brown fur all over its body. It more or less looks like gorilla, little bit looks like gorilla, and their fur is being used to make coats or jackets. Okay, so here comes number 2. Everyone is clear with the meaning of mink? সবাই মানে বুঝেছো? আমরা কিন্তু সব সময় মানে বুঝে পড়ব, মুখস্থ করব না। মুখস্থ আমরা সেটাই করব যেটা মনে রাখতে হবে, কিন্তু মানে বুঝে মনে রাখলে তুমি কোনো দিন সেটা ভুলবে না। ওকে, সো এভরিওয়ান ডান? লেট আস গো ফর দ্য নিউ ওয়ার্ড। Everyone understood the meaning of mink? যদি কেউ না বুঝে থাকো আমাকে এখনো বলো। Anyone? Yes, very good. So I got the confirmation from my students. Really, you all are champions. So next comes is here R I N K, ring. R I N K, ring. Now what is this ring, ma'am? Ring is also a INK word. That is the speciality of this word, okay, because we are learning INK word. But now what is the meaning, so that I can remember it? So the meaning is, do you know what is skating? How many of you know what is skating? Skating is a play activity where we wear a particular type of sandals or shoes which are having wheels, right? Yes or no? Yes, which are having wheels, and that activity needs balance of the body, right? Yes or no? Yes. Until and unless you will balance your feet with those wheels and your body, you won't be able to move, right? Yes, you will fall down. দুম দুম করে আমরা পড়ে যাব, তাই তো? ঠিক করে যদি আমরা ব্যালেন্স করে না চলতে পারি, yes, so that is called skating. But usually students, আমরা স্কেটিং এখানে করি যেটা রাস্তা, and skating cannot be done in if you are not having a very plain surface, okay? স্কেটিং কিন্তু খড়বড়ে রাস্তায় করা যায় না, করা যায় কি? যায় না, প্লেন রাস্তা লাগে, রাইট? it needs a plain form, you needs a plain surface for that one, right? So this actually skating is being done on ice. বরফের উপর স্কেটিং করতে পারলে কেমন হয়? Lovely, right? It's a plain surface. সো এরকম একটা গেমও হয় ঠান্ডার দেশে, আমাদের এখানে সিমলা টিমলাতেও হয় ডিউরিং, ইটস আ ফেস্টিভ্যাল, ইট ইজ বিন সেলিব্রেটেড অ্যাজ ফেস্টিভ্যাল, ওকে? তো ওই যে ঠান্ডার জায়গাটা, ওখানে বরফ যে জমানো থাকে, ওয়ান পার্টিকুলার এরিয়া ইজ বিন দ্যার, ওকে? আমরা সবাই ক্রিকেট গ্রাউন্ড দেখেছি, উই অল হ্যাভ সিন ক্রিকেট গ্রাউন্ড অর ফুটবল গ্রাউন্ড দেখেছি, ইয়েস অর নো? Yes or no? আমরা সবাই ক্রিকেট গ্রাউন্ড আর ফুটবল গ্রাউন্ড দেখেছি? Yes. In the same way, we are having a skating stadium also. It is also having a particular piece of land. এই যে piece of land, এটা হচ্ছে এটার boundary, okay? This is the boundary, okay? And this surface is covered with snow, ice, okay? এইগুলো পুরো বরফ দিয়ে একদম সুন্দর করে ফ্রোজেন করা থাকে। It is been made in such a way that this part is always having snow, okay? And people are skating on it, okay? People are skating on it. They are rolling on it with wheels, okay? Now what it is? These boundary, এই যে বাউন্ডারিটা আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি, এই বাউন্ডারিটা আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি, এটাকে কি বলে জানো? এই যে এরিয়াটাকে কি বলে? রিং. What it is called? Ring. Clear, everyone? Everyone clear? It is known as ring. R-I-N-K. Anyone having any problem to understand the fact? আমি এখন অবধি যা বোঝালাম, কার কোনো অসুবিধা হচ্ছে রিং বুঝতে? R-I-N-K, ring. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, these are my champions. Anyone, যদি কার কোনো অসুবিধা হয়, please inform me. আমি আবার বোঝাবো. Anyone is having any problem? If you are having any problem, please make it clear, beta. I will explain once more. No problem. Because I am standing over here. Okay. So Nandini is telling, no ma'am, we have understood everything. So that's very nice. So we learned two words, that is mink and ring. Now I am going to throw a clue towards you. And you are going to tell me the exact word that is INK word. Okay. So when we are thirsty, when we are thirsty we need water. So what do we do with water? What do we do with water? And I can see many of them are writing, and Afreen is the first one to give the answer. Next is Nandini, and then after, yes, Arghamandal, very good. Ayushman, very good beta. Next is Shatuki, very good. So all my champions have given answers, that is Afreen, Nandini, Orgho, Ayushman, Shatuki, Inakshi, Tomojit, everyone has given the answer. We drink water when we are thirsty. So here comes the new word, that is drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Okay. I'm just rubbing this part a little bit so that it won't make any confusion for all of you with the words. Okay. So here comes the new word. Again a new word. When you are making mistake. When you are making mistake, then what happens? I tell you to. Who will understand this gesture? I tell you to. I tell you to. Yes, excellent, Ayushman. I tell you to think. Think and write. Right, Ayushman? Amra ki kori? Bhabchi. So, bhaba. Think. Okay? Think mani ki? Bhabna kora. Bhabna chinta kora. Thinking. Bhabchi. Okay? So, it's think. So, let us write down T-H-I-N-K. Think. So, again we got a new word, think. So, we learned the word link, we learned the word pink, we learned the word think, we learned the word mink, then after rink, drink and think. So, ink, mink, ink, rink, ink, drink, ink, think. Okay, so here are the words which are having, each and every word is having the exact meaning, and we have learned these all words with, yes, meanings. So whenever you are speaking also, whenever you are speaking, it won't be a problem for you to understand and go rewind. Acha ma'am ki ami bolbo ami bhabji. Because you know bhabna ke ki bole? Think. So ma'am, I am thinking. It will be very easier for you to speak in English properly, right? So each and every word, if you read and learn with meaning, then it will be easier for all of you to speak English just as fluently as we speak our mother language, right? So, what will be our theory? Our theory will be to understand, to read, and then after to learn. Not read and learn. Okay? শুধু যদি আমরা পড়ি আর মুখস্থ করি তাহলে কিন্তু আমরা একটা সময়ের পর blank. But if বুঝি, পড়ি আর মুখস্থ করি, একটা স্টেপ যদি বাড়িয়ে নিই, only one step more, and বুঝে গেলে তো এমনিতেই পড়তে পারবো, আর পড়তে পারলে তো এমনিতেই মুখস্থ থাকবে, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Very good. So, students, all of you will learn this one. Already we have understood, we have read it, now we will learn it. Okay, and you will learn the spellings. Exactly আমরা মুখস্থটা কি করি? আমরা মুখস্থ করি spellings. Okay, so we will learn the spellings of this. And now let me see how many of you have written in your copy. Chalo fatafat, let's send the images. Send me the images first beta. Okay, I wanted to see in the chat box. Parinita, Orijit, excellent beta, but send it in the chat box. I have already received Ayushman's work. So here comes, okay, very nice, very good Ayushman beta, very good. Okay, next comes Inakshi. Inakshi, H. You have written this H beta. H টা তুমি লেখোনি, বাকিটা পুরো তুমি লিখেছো, H টা তুমি লেখোনি, H টা কেউ তোমাকে লিখতে হেল্প করেছে, তো H টা তুমি মুছে নিজে লেখো। ওকে বেটা, তুমি একটা অ্যালফাবেটও যদি না লেখো আমি কিন্তু ঠিক ধরে ফেলবো। চলো চলো, গুড গার্ল, লিখে ফেলো নিজে। কাম অন, নাও let us go for Ayan Mukherjee. Ayan Mukherjee, very good beta. Tomojit. Tomojit beta, you have skipped in the word drink. D-R-I-N-K. R has been skipped. R has been skipped. Ma'am, math se skip করতে বলেছে, আমি স্কিপ করতে বলিনি, তাড়াতাড়ি তাড়াতাড়ি লিখে ফেলো তমজিৎ, কাম অন, ভেরি গুড। আচ্ছা, মিঙ্ক, very good. Here also Trishita, beta, you need handwriting practice regularly, and the one more thing which I want to convey you, that is if it is a 4-line copy, here you are writing T, it should touch the red line, H between two blue lines or black lines, I, N between two blue line, and your K should not touch the red line, it should be between two blue lines. It should be between two blue lines. Your K is touching the upper red line, which becomes the capital K. It should not be done. Okay beta, so please rectify your K's. Please rectify your K's. Now it's Orijit. Orijit, very nice, excellent, but your INK, single inverted comma, is missing for INK. See here, I have given it, so please place it. Rest of the part is fine. Now it's Nandini, so let's see what Nandini has done. Good Nandini, very good. Okay, here comes Shomrik Roy Chaudhary, and Mr. Shomrik, where is your heading? Come on, fast, write the date, heading, everything beta, come on, good boy, come on. And here comes Inakshi, very good. Now Inakshi, it's fine. Now this is your H, and your H here, it will touch the red line beta, it will touch the red line. এখানে H টা red line এ টাচ করবে বেটা, তোমার red line এখনো টাচ করেনি, ওটা N হয়ে গেছে। N will not touch the red line, whereas small h will touch the red line, so please rectify it. INK, inverted comma is missing. Shushobhan, Mr. Mondol, Shushobhan Mondol, chalo beta, single inverted comma likhe phelo, rest of the part is fine, excellent. Here is Tomojit. Tomojit, আমি 4 নম্বরটা শুধু দেখতে পাচ্ছি, এর আই এর মাথায় এই গোল করে একটা রসগোল্লা কেন বাবা? ডোন্ট পুট এনি টাইপ অফ রসগোল্লা, লাড্ডু, মুন, নাথিং ইজ নিডেড, অনলি ওয়ান ডট ইজ নিডেড। আই রসগোল্লাও চায় না, মুনও চায় না, টিপও চায় না, কিচ্ছু চায় না, শুধু একটা ডট চায়। ওকে, আই এর মাথায় ডট দেওয়ার অভ্যাসটা করো বেটা। ওকে, চলো। Afreen Sultana, very good Afreen, outstanding handwriting. Tomojit, please take the image. I would request Tomojit's parents to please take the image properly. I am unable to see it. প্লিজ দুবার করে ইমেজ পাঠাবেন না। Here is Trishita. Yes, now Trishita, it's fine, and don't be sorry beta, because if you will not make mistake, then how I will explain you? Yes, now it is fine. Tamojit, very good. So okay, please don't be sorry. আমরা ভুল করব, শিখব, আবার ভুল করব, আবার শিখব। Okay, so no need to be sorry, because this is the stage to learn. We are learning now. Okay, কিন্তু নিজের ভুলের থেকেও শিখব, যে আর ওই ভুলটা সেকেন্ড টাইম করব না। Okay, yes, okay, so I conclude my class over here, and I will be back again with your new class of science. Till that time, bye bye. Okay, Shugata, yes beta, I can see it. Very nice, Shugata, very good beta. Good, Tamajit, now it's fine.
হ্যাঁ, স্যারকে একবার বলুন, স্যার ভেতরেই আছেন, মানে শঙ্কর স্যার ভেতরেই আছেন। কি তিতিপা ম্যাম ফেলিওর হয়েছেন, আমাকে গুরু দায়িত্ব দিয়ে গেছিলেন। ঠিক আছে, আমি নিলাম। Good morning, everyone. Now all of you, I am visible and audible properly to you? Okay, thank you, Simran. Okay, thank you all of you. So now let's start our today's class. So all of you, please take out your copy, and then after you will write down CW and date. It is a must. And Okay, first okay, Simran. Okay, very good, Simran, and thank you. যে প্রবলেমটা সলভ হয়ে গেছে সিমরান, আর এটা তোমার দিক থেকে বা আমাদের দিক থেকে যাই যেটুকু যা প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল, এবং আমি এখন যে ভিজিবল টু অল অফ ইউ, সো তার জন্য ভেরি মাচ থ্যাংক ইউ। Okay, so let back to our class, and last day I have given to you one homework, and last day we have discussed about skip the numbers, skip numbers. Okay, so okay, and I can see lots of students already sending me the answers. Wow, Suhana, Suhana, how are you beta? কেমন আছো তুমি? ক্লাস কেন জয়েন করছো না? তুমি ক্লাস কেন জয়েন করোনি এতদিন? ওকে সুহানা, এটা ট্রাই করবে বেটা, রেগুলার যেন ক্লাসটা জয়েন করবে। ওকে, রেগুলার আমাদের লাইভ ক্লাসটা জয়েন করবে। আমি তো এখন তো রেগুলার স্কুল হচ্ছে না, তোমাকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, তাই তো? তাহলে ক্লাসটা জয়েন করলে তো তোমাকে দেখতেও পাবো। Okay, so last day those homework I have given to you, let's first discuss. So first I'm drawing on the board that pencil parallel two lines, vertical lines, and the upper portion is also triangle, and 10 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 columns I have drawn. So first start for 4, and another pencil again I have drawn here, and 10 chambers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so for, and the second one is start from 5. So first one 4, then after 3 numbers we skipped here. So 4 after 5 6 7, 3 numbers, 5 6 7, 3 numbers, 7 after 8, then 3 numbers 9 10 11, then 12 13 14 15 skip, 16 17 18 19, then 20 20 after 21 22 23, 3 numbers skipped, and after 23 that is 24 25 26 27, then after 28 29 30 31, then 32 33 34 35, then 36 37 38 39, then 40. So this row we have completed. Now next from 5, start from 5. We are skip the numbers. Here we will do the numbers are skip here. নাম্বার গুলোকে স্কিপ করে যাচ্ছি। ওকে সুহানা, সুহানা মনে হচ্ছে বুঝতে পারছো না সুহানা, এই নাম্বারগুলোকে আমরা স্কিপ করে যাচ্ছি, মানে এড়িয়ে যাচ্ছি বা এগুলোকে লাফিয়ে চলে যাচ্ছি। 3 নাম্বার, 3টে করে নাম্বার আমরা লাফিয়ে যাচ্ছি। ওকে, যেমন দেখো নাম্বার 5, দেন আফটার 3, এখানে 4 নাম্বার আমরা বাদ দিয়ে দেবো। 4 আফটার 5 4 নাম্বার, আফটার 5 তাহলে 6 7 8 9, দেখো 4টে নাম্বার হয়েছে, 4 নাম্বার হয়েছে তো, 6 7 8 9. So 9 after 10, 10 এখানে লিখবো। Then again 10 after 4 numbers, 11 12 13 14, then 15, 15 after 16 17 18 19, then 20 লিখবো। ওকে, সো 4 নাম্বারস বাদ দিয়ে দিয়ে যাচ্ছি আমরা। নেক্সট 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24, then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, skip, and then 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, then 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, extra I have drawn here. Okay, so now we have completed 4 and 5 last day's homework, and I can see many of the students already sending me the answers. Okay, one more thing that I am going to tell you. Can you see both the numbers which we have done? These numbers are same with the multiplication table. তোমরা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছ এগুলো সব? এটা কিন্তু 4 and 5 এর multiplication table. Can you see? These are multiplication table. So here you can see 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 4 16, 4 fives are 4 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and 4 tens are 40. Okay, Priyam has written yes ma'am. আচ্ছা, এবার বলো তো কে কে বুঝতে পেরেছো এটা মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন টেবিল? এটা মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন টেবিল বলে কে কে করেছো বলো তো দেখি, কে কে করেছো এরকম? একদম সত্যি কথা বলে দাও তো দেখি, কে কে বলে পেরেছো? আর কে কে স্কিপ নাম্বার করে করেছো? নাম্বার স্কিপ করে কে কে করেছো, আর কে কে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন টেবিল মনে করে করেছো? Okay, Shouharto typing something. Let's see. And okay, very good Simran, very good. Skip করে করেছে সৌহার্দ্য, রুদ্রাদিত্য, সংস্থিতা, গ্রন্থনা ইয়েস লিখেছো। কি স্কিপ না মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন টেবিল কোনটা? So Shrestha also, very good. So all of you have done the skip numbers, very very good. So এটাই আমি চাইছিলাম যে তোমরা নাম্বারটা স্কিপ করেই করো, and that's why I have not told you that it is also a multiplication table করেও করা যেতে পারে। এটা আমি কিন্তু তোমাদের বলিনি, বিকজ যদি মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন টেবিল করে করতে তাহলে তো তোমরা করে ফেলতে, বাট we are practicing this skip numbers. নাম্বার কি করে স্কিপ করে করতে হয় সেটাই আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করছিলাম। So very good to know that you have done this with the skip numbers. Very very good, and thank you all of you. So but today we will do one activity about the multiplication table. Okay, so all of you please take out your copy and write in your copy with me. First write the heading, that is complete the series. Complete the series. সিরিজটা আমরা কমপ্লিট করব with the help of multiplication table. Number 1, 3, no, number 1 start from 2, 2, 4, 8, then after 1, 2, 3 blanks. Okay, now Oshmita Srijan, welcome back. Number 2, 3, 6, 9, 12. Then after 1, 2 blanks. Next 3, number 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blanks. Next 4 number, it is 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks. So Oshmita Vavak and Srijon just joined with us. So I'm just repeating for you. Today we will do this activity about this complete the series on the basis of multiplication table. Okay, and you can see here I have written 2. Number one question is 2. Then after 4, 8. Then you fill in the blanks like this. Here is 3 blanks. You will write the answer with multiplication table. Then 3, 6, 9, 12. Then after 2 blanks. Number 3, 4, 8. Next 4 blanks. And the last one, number 4, start from 5, 10 and 3 blanks. Number 1 you have written already. So can I rub this? If you said that yes, then after I am rubbing this portion and writing next one. If you have completed, then I am writing something next one. Number 1, if you have written, please tell me that yes ma'am. So I am rubbing this. Okay, yes, Rudraditya, thank you. Yes, it is my mistake. Here 6. Thank you, Rudraditya. Thank you. Here is, please all of you note it. I have written 8 because I have skipped one number. So you will write down the new one, that is 2, 4, 6. Then after you will give the blanks. Thank you. So I am wrapping this upper portion, complete the series. Okay. Priyam, you will do in your copy. Then after you can you will send me the screenshot. Okay, the number 5 number I am writing here. So 6 start from 6, then 12, then after 3 blanks. Okay, Rudra also sending me the answers. Very good, beta. So number 6, only 6, 12. So I hope you have already learned 1 to 5 multiplication table. But 6 multiplication table you still are not read it, because আমিও কিন্তু 1 থেকে 5 পর্যন্তই জানি, 6 তো জানি না। সো আমি 6টা করতে পারিনি। So if you have completed, please tell me yes. Then I'm starting on the board to write. Already I can see Rudra has completed, and rest of the students. Okay, very good. Granthana has already completed. Very good. Shuhana, I can see you are doing this. Very good. Okay, Rudra pore niyeche 6 এর table. Very good. And Moyuk also. Suhana, I can see. Very good. নামিয়ে দাও, এবার পরেরটা করো। ওকে, অ্যান্ড স্বয়ং প্রভু অলসো। So now I am doing 2 ones are 2, 2 number 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12. Complete. Now next, number 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. Now next, number 3, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. Number 5, now question number 4, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. Okay, so till we have completed. Now next, number 5, 6 এর table তো আমি জানি না, because I have not learned 6 এর টেবিল তো আমাদের নেই, আমি পড়িও নি। 1 to 5 আমাদের ছিল, এক্সামে আমি পড়ে নিয়েছি। But some other students has completed already 6 table. Very good. যারা পড়ে ফেলেছো already 6 এর টেবিল, they are very good. But still those are not learned. আমারই মতো যারা এখনো পর্যন্ত 6 এর পড়োনি, চলো তারা করি আমরা। বাট কি করে করব? Here you can see 6 first, then after 12. So how many number we will skip here? Can you see? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can see 5 number we skipped here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 numbers, and then after 11, after 12 written. So it is the skipping numbers of 5. So next 12 after 5 number you will skip with me. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And the 17 after 18. Now I am writing 18. আর যারা 6 এর নাম্বার পড়ে ফেলেছো টেবিল, তারাও দেখে নাও, আমরা করে ফেলেছি। 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Okay, now another blanks over there. Again we will do. Suhana, sit properly beta, ঠিক করে বসো। হ্যাঁ, now 18 after again 5 numbers, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Then 23 after 24. So 5 numbers again, 24. And another blanks over there, and the last blank. So again we will start counting after 24 5 numbers, because these 5 numbers we will skip. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so these 5 numbers again we will skip. So then 29 after 13, sorry, 30. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 13, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. Okay, so in this way we will also do this 6 table with the basis of skip number, because skip number টা আমরা লাস্ট দিন পড়েছি আর সেটা দিয়ে আমরা করে ফেললাম 6 এর টেবিল. ওকে, so I hope you are doing this, and this is our today's class, and you will practice at your home this type of activity. Okay, now the time is for homework. Please note down homework. All of you note down homework. Write the multiplication table. Sorry, no. Write the number names. Write the number names from 70 to 100. Write the number names from 70 to 100. It is your homework.